Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Money Dashboard. Review my usage experience. Money Dashboard is a personal finance management service that helps you track your spending, budget, and see all your accounts in one place. It's primarily aimed at individuals and families looking to gain better control of their finances. Key features include automatic account aggregation, spending categorization, budgeting tools, and financial goal setting. Their website provides details on their different plans and features. Money Dashboard emphasizes ease of use and security, highlighting their read-only access to your accounts, meaning they can't move your money. They offer both free and paid versions, with the paid version offering more advanced features like deeper analysis and forecasting tools. They compete with other personal finance apps like Mint and YNAB. Availability should be pretty wide, as it's a web-based service, but check their website for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Money Dashboard. Getting started was relatively straightforward. I linked my bank accounts and credit cards, which was a quick and secure process. The initial syncing took a little while, but once it was done, all my transactions were neatly categorized and presented in a clear dashboard. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I could easily see my spending broken down by category, view upcoming bills, and track my progress towards my savings goals. The budgeting tools were especially helpful. I set up a monthly budget for groceries and entertainment, and Money Dashboard automatically tracked my spending against those limits, providing visual representations of my progress. Performance-wise, the platform was reliable and reasonably fast. I occasionally experienced some minor delays in transaction updates, but nothing major. I had a quick question about customizing categories, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the visual representation of my spending habits, which really helped me identify areas where I could save. One minor drawback was the limited number of supported banks in my region. While it took me a little while to get used to the advanced budgeting settings, overall, I'm quite satisfied with Money Dashboard. That's my overview of Money Dashboard. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.